Wheelie. Friday night's winner was Red Solo. Saturday night's winner was Clydesdale. Who's going to be the winner here today? OSP Speedway Monster Truck Winter Nationals. I'm convinced it is still winter. All right, first truck up from Waycross, Georgia, the Ford Killer Kevin King. The truck Straight Jacket. Make some noise! Woo! Explain a couple other things to you. I should have done in the beginning. You'll see a red light on the dashes of the truck. And you'll see our crew guys wave at them every now and then. Each one of the trucks has a remote control radio. Shut-off valve is a simple explanation. We can actually turn off the truck's motor from wherever we are for safety's sake. It is not uncommon for a monster truck driver to be dazed or even knocked unconscious in the truck, and we will have to turn them off. And this weekend's been a perfect example with 3 trucks flipped over the weekend. We had to shut them all off because it was pretty wild. So that's explaining when the truck starts and then it stops. It's not that there's anything wrong with the truck. We're turning it off to make sure that the radio is working, so if we need to shut it off for safety's sake, we can. Also, there are 3 different kind of wheelies, in my opinion. Now, the one that Straight Jacket did, it's kind of the leap of faith. Big air, leaped all the way across the cars, a really good wheelie. The second kind of wheelie is when they hit the cars and they just get straight up and down real high. The third, my favorite, is when they stand it straight up and down and they rip that tailgate off. Of course, it doesn't make a difference what I think, it's what you think. Straight Jacket did a great wheelie. Let's give him a big round of applause. All right, remember, you will pick the winner. Next up, the guy who won last night. Let's see if he can do it 2 in a row. The Southern gentleman from Cedartown, Georgia. Come on down. Clydesdale!
What if he runs over that? What if he jumps over it? I don't want to make it over
Don't think he'll be winning today.
Give it up for Clydesdale! chances, put them on the back burner because in a little bit we got to give away $5,000 to number 1. Next up, She Says Girls Rock from Plymouth, Michigan. The 72 Chevy, Shelly Cujo. Give it up for Shell Camino.
So far, Straight Jacket got it wrapped up. So far, Straight Jacket's got it wrapped up.
It was alright. A little better than the other one.
How about Shell Camino? Next up, winner of Friday night's wheelie contest, the party truck, if you will, Bad Brandon Bud and Red Solo.
That was good. He almost flipped. Let's see what the rookie gonna do now. I did not know about that radio contest. I had a damn sure been calling. I did not know about that radio contest. I had a damn sure been calling trying to get in there. That rookie just driving.
Red Solo.
He won the radio contest.
Now, two-time world champion truck. 2,000 horsepower. Of course, the body's off of it because it flipped over and it was wild and crazy the last 2 days. Probably a good time to let a first-time driver drive it. I don't think he can hurt it anymore. So we're going to see what he can do. I don't know if it'll be good. I don't know if it'll be bad. But come on down, Jumpin' Joe Yatsko, the winner of our radio promo. He gets a chance to drive a real monster truck in a show. Time for Equalizer. He figured out how to start it. That's good.
Right, that was an easy start. Oh no.
He's scared of that thing.
Don't hit the flagpole, man. Good job. No, but there you stop. Don't go too far. You know what? He did a pretty good job. Give him a round of applause. Now, on my unofficial scorecard, he's not winning so far, but you know what? He got from point A to point B, didn't tear anything up yet, and so that's a good sign. Now, I think we are ready for the second round. Each truck and driver gets one more shot, then we share them off. So